Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Aquaphor Healing Baby Ointment. It's received 4.9 out of 5 stars and over 40,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Soothe your baby's delicate skin with the gentle power of Aquaphor Healing Baby Ointment. Specially formulated to protect and heal, this ointment locks in moisture and creates a barrier against irritation, leaving your baby's skin soft, smooth, and free from discomfort. Whether it's a diaper rash, dry patches, or minor scrapes, Aquaphor works quickly to restore your little one's skin to its natural, healthy glow. Free from harsh chemicals and fragrances, it's safe for even the most sensitive skin. Give your baby the gentle care they deserve with Aquaphor, because every baby deserves to feel comfortable and loved. And this is a popular item that's also on the subscribe and save. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.